today I finally got my hands on the Glow Recipe Pineapple Sea Bright Serum, and I'm actually pretty excited about it. I've been waiting and waiting, and finally it's come, and I was checking out the stores, and I saw that they had it in the store, and I had to still wait for my shipment because I didn't want to buy 2 of them. But anyway, it's a good brightening serum that also helps kind of exfoliate skin. So if your skin hasn't been exposed to a lot of vitamin C or alpha or beta hydroxy acids in the past, I recommend starting out kind of slow with it. Glow Recipe recommends use in the morning and evening daily. Personally, I'm just going to be using it in the evening because I've got my daytime vitamin C serum that I loved. But really quick, let me say this is a better version of what the Tatcha brand tried to do with their brightening serum, the Violet Sea Brightening Serum. It's better. It doesn't contain as much fragrance or citrus oils. Overall, it's just easier to use and also a touch less expensive as well. However, if you pick it up, I do recommend keeping it in a cabinet just because of the clear bottle. But it does have a little bit of fragrance. It's a very last ingredient. However, it doesn't really have much of a scent. It smells like pineapples. If you have pineapple or ever had like pineapple juice, it smells like that when you apply it. Not super heavy, but then it dissipates pretty quickly. So kind of just a pineapple scent, which isn't bad. But pineapple juice is the very first ingredient, so I'd assume that's probably most of the fragrance. But overall, it absorbs pretty quickly. It works well under moisturizers. I use it on top of another serum. So I've been using my serum and then this and then my moisturizer, and typically it's worked well in my morning routine as well, but I just prefer the Tarte vitamin C serum a little bit more. I found it to be a little bit more hydrating and work a little bit better under most foundations, but this one does a good job as well. So if you're thinking about picking up, I really like it. I haven't had a chance to use it for a super long time, so I'll be definitely doing a more comprehensive review in a few months. But I just wanted to let you guys know in case you guys were thinking about picking up. So far, really liking it. It's got a lot of good beneficial ingredients. If you have more oily skin, I can see that you can definitely use this. And if you have drier skin, using it over another serum and under another moisturizer works just as well too. So anyway, so overall, really liking it. And just interested if you guys have had a chance to try it out yet or not. And if you have, what your thoughts are, or if you're thinking about picking it up, let me know what you're thinking. So, or if you have another vitamin C serum that you're using. I don't know. It seems like a lot of brands have been coming out with vitamin C's lately. I don't know. We've got these 4 at least in the last couple weeks, and sunscreens lately too. Vitamin C and sunscreen. I guess summer might be finally coming. Thank goodness. So, anyway, thank you guys so much.